Good afternoon. There's been some frost and fog around across parts of the United Kingdom this morning. It's been different weather in Italy though, where in Florence more than an inch of rain fell in just 12 hours. You can see the cloud on the satellite picture that's been bringing this wet weather. It's all tied in with a weather front which is going to take the rain in towards Greece on Wednesday. By that time though, it'll be dry and fine across Italy, but for northwest Europe it is going to turn wet and windy. We're already starting to see that rain pushing across southwestern parts of the British Isles at the moment. We've got some showers towards the northeast. In between, it has been rather a foggy morning, and it's still pretty murky here in Leeds just at the moment. But that fog is expected to lift onto the hills through the rest of the afternoon. Meanwhile, further north, there'll be some sunny spells and a scattering of showers, whilst that rain is expected to push across Wales, southern and central England by the end of the day. Now, it is going to feel bitter out and about, a top temperature in some areas of just 4 or 5 degrees, perhaps up to 9 down in some southern areas later on. But despite that, it will still feel cold in the wind. That wind is expected to pick up everywhere through the rest of today and tonight. Gales in parts of the north, but the really windy weather is going to be further towards the south. Now, through the Bristol Channel and towards English Channel coasts, it is going to be very windy. These really large arrows showing that we could see severe gale force winds in places, and we could see gusts of wind as high as 60 or 70 miles an hour. So we're certainly watching for that. We're also watching for the rain in the next 36 hours. We could well see up to an inch of rain in some places, and that's only going to add to the flooding problems that we've already got. Now, the wind and rain is circulating around this area of low pressure. This weather front is expected to push northwards through to this evening and tonight, bringing with it perhaps some snow over high ground of around 300 metres across northern England and Scotland. Then we'll see squally showers moving in behind. So for many of us, it won't be anywhere near as cold as last night. Temperatures no lower than 5 or 6 degrees. Parts of Scotland, though, could have a frost. And then tomorrow there'll be a lot of cloud around and wind too in the morning, some squally showers across southern areas, but those showers should become fewer and further between as the day goes on. Then we look towards the south. This area of low pressure could bring some more wet weather into southeastern parts of Britain late on Thursday and through Friday. But for many areas on Thursday it'll be a frosty, foggy start to the day, that fog only slowly lifting away in some areas, and Friday will be very similar, rain in the west later. Bye-bye.